Bro, turn that shit up, man.
As you can see, the turn signals blink too fast. And that's because the resistor, the resistor is what we're putting in. It's that the turn signals have LED lights, so it takes less power from the, what do you call it again? The computer thinks that you're running on low power. Use this for now. And it thinks, what's it called? So usually the regular light bulbs take a lot more power out of it, but since it's LED, it uses less power. So the computer and the cars usually tell you that it blinks fast because one is out, but it's not actually out. It's just taking less power. So the way to fix that is to get one of these resistors. For these things, you can buy them on eBay or wherever. But these things just pretty much go to your ground and one to the turn signal wire. Pretty much takes all the power that's going through this into here, back to your ground, and give a certain amount to the turn signals, which then makes the computer think that the turn signal is good. So to do that, you gotta do this. Yeah, take these out. Just 2 Phillips. Take them out. And you gotta figure out which one's your turn signals. So what you wanna do is you wanna find your turn signal thing for your LED, so you can hook up your resistor. So this is it. Since this doesn't run all the time, it's just when you blink. You get the ground and the power. That's all you get. So what you want to do is you want to get one of these bad boys. Don't matter which one you do first. So you get the ground in there on the outside one. You want to get the outside one because that lets the full wire go through. You want to get the resistor, just any end, it doesn't matter. Put it through here where it won't come out through that end. And I like to get pliers. Squeeze these guys in first. Squeeze it in. Want to make sure you give it a good old squeeze-a-rooney. And I am going to tape these up just when we're done though. This bad boy goes in right here. So now you get another one that comes with the kit thing off of eBay. You put this one, oops, on the wrong side. Put it on this side. It's eBay, so it's kind of janky. Okay. So now you want to give this one a good old squeeze-a-rooney. Not the finger. Squeeze it good. So now you can see the resistor is looped into the ground and the power wire for your turn signals. And this will get warm and not going to get hot with the phone, the GoPro. I did record some of it. That one's actually done. I'm going to show you guys again. Here, look at that real quick. So the turn signal actually blinks too fast just because why I already explained. Alright, so this is the right one. That's what happens when you get LEDs. And then when I'm done, it should look like this. Nice, normal, legal blinking speed. So let's show you how to do that real quick. Okay, so I have a drill, but because not everybody has a drill, I'm gonna do it the old school screwdriver. So this is a 2000 Chevy Silverado. Pretty sure, I'm pretty positive this is for the same as all cars, as long as you figure out which one's the turn signal bulb and which one's the ground and the power one, but it really doesn't matter. There should be only 2 wires unless it's a newer car. So on this, you can see got 3. So it would be the ground, one of them would be the running lights for the brake lights, and then one's the brake light. So when you step on the light, the brake, it turns on brighter. So we won't be messing with that. Look at this real quick. Put it on the side. This one is the turn signal, and this one is the reverse. So since these have LEDs inside, the car thinks, so it takes less power from the car. So the computer in the car blinks, makes it blink fast to tell you you have a turn signal out to keep you from getting tickets. But the car's not smart enough to tell you you have LEDs, it's okay. So what you gotta do is go on eBay and spend about roughly $4 to $20 for these. The resistors, a whole bunch of them are all the same. But, so this, find your turn signals, and see, this is what I was saying, only has two. Black for ground, blue for power. Doesn't matter though, because this, we're gonna put it right here, and the other one's gonna splice over here. As long as you put this loop on it, this will take a whole bunch of the power that the ECU, computer, relay, all that is sending to these. It will take some of the power out and send it back, and then let some power go into the LEDs, which gets slowed down, so the you know, the computer's not dumb and goes, hey, you're out. Okay, so I do that because these are a little tight. So you want to get the open end because it goes all the way through. So there's a hole right there, there's a hole over there. The other one is for the resistor. See, this one's open, but this one's closed. So you want to put it, and it doesn't matter which one, as long as you get it. See how it's in that side and in that side. So now you get your resistor. Camera person, can you pass me a pair of pliers? So you guys don't have to use pliers, you can just push it in and kind of go hard. But this, I like squeezing this so it makes a good cut through the wire. Just give it the good old squeeze. So you do that. So now you have a resistor on your ground. You have an open resistor this side. So now let's open this bad boy up. It's open. Now this, you want to put it on your power. Once again, on the outside one, not the inside one. The one far away with the crack. So you want the crack one. Oops, sorry. So this would go in. You can't stick it in that one because it's closed. So you want to stick it in through the other side. So these will go right there. Get your pliers. You want to make sure that's in all the way. Just hold it. Do one of these bad boys. You can feel like when it cuts through the plastic, it kind of like gets harder than it gives. So after that, you want to let go and give one more good squeeze. And I do have electrical tape. I'm gonna tape all this bad boy stuff up after I'm done. So now, hook up your things. Please. Top one is your brake lights. You want to make sure you connect them the right way. And this is different for all cars, the way you plug it in. So you might want to be careful when you unplug them. This one, plug it this way. So let's see. And remember, these will get warm, not hot. So get some self-tappers. You only need one. And just kind of like put it somewhere in the far back. And spray it a little with like some spray paint or something so it doesn't rust. So now let's see. All right, camera person, pay attention. Let's see if it blinks. Or if it doesn't, because I don't have a bad look.
Yeah.
Blinking slow or not at all? Did I connect the wrong ones again?
You could say
For not blinking. Oh, I hooked them up the wrong way. So here we go, watch. Watch it this. So that would be brake lights. And these are turn signals. There we go, see? All you gotta do is remember how you plug them in. So see, now we have slow blinking on that side.
I fixed it. Just took me to that.
How's this side? See? Nice and slow. No more illegal blinky blinky. And then you just get some electrical tape. I like red, so I get red. And all you gotta do is you don't really have to do it. It's just kind of like you did mess with wires. So you just tape them up individually. And then to put it back in, I'm gonna put it in just for now. Just put it in, make sure these little clips right here go into these holes. And then on the side, you want to get the ones that have like the
holes?
they're what are these things called? I'm a mechanic, I should know. What are these things called? They're no. They're sunken in. Yeah, they're sunken in holes. So when you put your little Phillips screw in, it goes in right here, and it sits kind of flush. And then after that, you'll be done. Yay. No more illegal blinky blinkies. Thank you.